Okay, question number 7. Two blocks of masses m and 2m are directly towards each other. Both are moving at the same constant speed. The blocks collide and stick together. Collisions. Okay. What is the total momentum of the system before and after collision? Whenever there is a problem on collision, what should come to your mind? COM should come to your mind. Conservation of momentum. What do? I first write down what is the momentum here, which is 2mv. Along this way, it is minus amv. And then I apply conservation of momentum. What does conservation of momentum says? P initial is equal to what? This should be sum of the momentum 2mv minus mv, which should now be equal to mv. And what is P after? P after should be equal to P after what will happen? Both of them are sticking together, which should be 2m minus m, and we do not know with what velocity it is moving. Let us say this v dash only. Okay. So now we need to find out what is this value. But before that, let us read the question. It says momentum before is m into v. So definitely these two are incorrect. I do not know which one is correct amongst this. Let us look at this also. So now what we do is, according to conservation of momentum, we have pi is equal to pf, which means that what is this now? This is mv dash. So mv is equal to mv dash. Okay, which means what? This is your pf over here. Pf is also equal to mv. So therefore this is the right option. So option A is the right one. Okay, let us move on to the next one.